Hey there! Today, we'll walk you through the process of paying your rent in advance in TenantCloud. Let's get started. First, go to the dashboard page from the left side menu and head to the Leases tab. Find the lease you want to pay in advance and click View next to that lease. Then switch to the Lease Transactions tab. In the Recurring Transactions section, click the three-dot menu next to the transaction you want to publish in advance and select Publish Next Invoice. Confirm your choice, and the next recurring invoice will appear in your account. To pay it, simply click the Pay Online button in the top right corner of your screen. Next, review the invoice details and press Checkout. Choose your preferred payment method, either a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Then select the payment source and click Submit Payment to complete the process. And that's it. You've now paid your rent in advance. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.